Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. We wanted to do this quick update on the new SBA EIDL grant of $10,000, which the SBA finally released some information about it on their website late last night. We are recording this video on January 20th, and we always emphasize the date of the recording of our videos relating to EIDL or PPP because these programs are constantly changing. So whatever we discuss today may change tomorrow. But we wanted to share what the SBA is telling everybody through their website how the new EIDL grant is going to work. And I think that a lot of small businesses won't be too happy on the way the SBA is designing this new $10,000 grant. At least this was not what people were expecting. So this is the SBA website. We will provide a link to this page on the description of this video, so that way you can read it for yourself. The new EIDL grant is called the Targeted EIDL Advance. It's up to $10,000. And if you read this paragraph, it says, applicants do not need to take any action at this time. SBA will reach out to those who qualify. So basically the SBA is saying to us, don't call me, we'll call you. And there's no application form. There's no way to apply online. You can't call the SBA to apply. The SBA is saying that they will email those who they think qualify, and they're going to reach out to businesses in two phases. The first phase of emails, they're going to send it out for businesses that already got the EIDL grant last year in 2020, but they did not receive the full $10,000. So if your business got an EIDL grant in 2020 of $1,000 up to $9,000, then you may get the remaining funds up to $10,000. Okay? Now, the SBA is going to reach out to you, and then you need to send them documentation and information to see if you are eligible to get the Targeted EIDL Grant Advance. Now, it says here that applicants may qualify if they meet two eligibility requirements. The first one, that your business is located in a low-income community. If you do not know how to find out if your business is in a low-income community, we did a video yesterday on how to do it. So you just have to click this link that we're putting in the top of this video, or we're going to put a link to that video on the description of this video, where we show you how you can find out if your business is located in a low-income community. So that's one thing, that's one requirement. The other requirement is that you need to demonstrate more than 30% reduction in revenue during an 8-week period beginning March 2nd. Now, we still don't know how that's going to work or what you're going to compare that 8-week period with what other date. So we are expecting more guidance on this. So that's the first wave of emails that the SBA is going to reach out, is for businesses that already got an EIDL grant in 2020, but they did not get the full $10,000. Then you need to prove to them that you are located in a low-income community and that you had a 30% reduction in revenue. If you meet those requirements, they will give you the remaining funds so you can get the full $10,000. So that's the first wave. Then it says, next, the SBA will reach out to those who applied for EIDL assistance before December 27th, but did not receive the EIDL advance due to lack of program funding. Remember that the EIDL grant ran out of funds in July 11th of 2020. So all businesses that applied for the EIDL loan and grant from July 11th to December 27th, they may have received the EIDL loan, but they did not. They were not able to get the EIDL grant because the grant was no longer available. So that's the second wave of emails the SBA is going to send out. So all of the businesses that applied for the EIDL loan or grant from July 11th to December 27th of 2020, the SBA is going to reach out to you. Once again, you need to comply with, you need to show them that you are in a low-income community. You can demonstrate that you had a 30% reduction in revenue, and you have to have less than 300 employees. If you meet that criteria, then you'll get the full $10,000 grant. Okay? Once again, they are emphasizing, the SBA will reach out to you if you qualify. They're basically saying, don't call us, we will call you. Now, if you see here the EIDL Advance, which was the original program, it says no longer available. So these are the details for the new Targeted EIDL Advance. I'm not too happy about it, but that's the way they did it. Now, if you add up the total funds that were allocated towards the new EIDL Advance, I think that they are going to come out with some kind of new grant again in the future. But once again, that's our speculation. Right now, we're going to tell you what we do know for certain. The Targeted EIDL Advance, the SBA is going to start reaching out to businesses that they think can qualify. There's no application online. There's no application link. There's no application form. You can't call the SBA. They will reach out to you if they think that you can qualify to get the remaining $10,000 grant that you did not get in 2020. Okay? So basically, we wanted to do this quick video to bring you the latest information on the EIDL grant. I know this isn't going to make a lot of people happy, but this is the reality. All right? So once again, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and also watch the suggested video and share this information with other business owners if you think they can take advantage of this information. Once again, thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.